नमस्ते नरसिंहाय नमस्ते नरसिंहाय प्रहलाद विघ्नविनाशक नरसिंहदेव भगवान की भक्त शिरोमणि श्री प्रहलाद महाराज की जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की। Let us read the
I offer my obeisances to Lord Narasimha, who gives joy to Prahlad Maharaj, and whose nails are like chisels on the stone-like chest of the demon Hiranyakashipu. Lord Narasimha is here and also there. Wherever I go, Lord Narasimha is there. He is within the heart and is outside as well. I surrender to Lord Narasimha, the origin of all things and the supreme refuge.
O Keshav, O Lord, O of the universe, O Lord Hari, who have assumed the form of half man, half lion. All glories to you. Just as one can easily crush a wasp between one's fingernails, so in the same way the body of the wasp-like demon Hiranyakashipu has been ripped apart by the wonderful pointed nails on your beautiful lotus heads.
Thank you. Shri Narasimhadev Bhagwan ki Jai. So Hare Krishna everyone. Welcome to our